Hey everyone, I'm Chef Andrew from North Coast Seafoods. Welcome back to the Seafood Supper Club. Thanks for tuning in. So when I say sandwich, you probably think of lunch. Today, we will restore the sandwich to its rightful position as a totally awesome dinner option. The fish sandwich is one of my all-time favorite things in the world. The words, "Andrew loved a great fish Sammy," will probably be inscribed on my tombstone. We'll make two versions today, one using crispy pan-fried flounder and one with air-fried cod, topped with a healthy serving of my famous Pepperjack Cheese coleslaw on a golden brown griddled bun. But wait, there's more. We'll serve this with my homemade tomato soup, comfort food personified. I guarantee this will be the best tomato soup you've ever made. Just drop a comment below and we'll comment back with the recipe. These recipes are coming from my secret chef vault, and now I am giving you the code. So let's jump right in. Let's start by making my favorite coleslaw recipe. Start by combining pre-cut coleslaw mix with some finely shredded Pepperjack cheese, fresh cut scallions, chopped yellow banana peppers, pimento peppers, super convenient, they come in pre-diced in a jar. Then bring out the Hellmann's and bring out the best. A splash of white vinegar, then we mix all together. I get a lot of heat for putting cheese in my coleslaw, but guess what? I like cheese on my fish sandwich. So I got creative. I put that slaw on everything. Keep this chilled in the fridge until you're ready to use. Time to bread our beautiful flounder fillets. Try to use the wet hand, dry hand technique when breading to avoid any snowman hands. That means use the same hand for the flour and the breadcrumb coating and the other hand to dip in the beaten egg. Chefs call this standard breading procedure. Anytime you want a crispy pan-fried anything, it goes flour, egg, breadcrumb. Flour, egg, breadcrumbs. Say it with me. Flour, egg, breadcrumbs. Heat your vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add a single breadcrumb and see if she sizzles. If yes, your oil is hot enough. Add your breaded flounder and allow to cook over medium-high heat until golden brown. Should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Take a peek and check for that golden goodness. And flip carefully with your fish spatula, being careful not to splatter hot oil. Finish cooking for about another 2 minutes and remove. Time to griddle our buns. Spread a thin layer of mayo or butter and place face side down in a medium-high heated pan until they've received that Midas touch. Moment of truth. It's time to shine. Pile high your Pepperjack Cheese slaw. No need for any tartar sauce with a slaw like this. Top that with your perfectly pan-fried flounder. This is gonna be crunchy, flaky, cheesy, zesty. These are the sandwiches you dream about. No fancy frying equipment necessary, proving that ordinary kitchen ingredients can make an extraordinary dinner. This is typically where the crowd goes wild. Take a bow. A perfect sandwich demands a perfect soup. And once you make my brown butter tomato soup, you will never open another can again. If you want the recipe, drop a comment below. So, you've probably heard the buzz about air fryers. Let's see if it lives up to the hype and make a crispy air-fried filet-o-fish using a thicker piece of cod. Check this out. Same procedure here. You know what I'm gonna say. Flour, egg, breadcrumb. An air fryer is essentially a countertop convection oven. In just 12 to 15 minutes, this will give us a thick, crispy piece of fried cod without needing to use any oil. Place your breaded portions in your preheated air fryer. This time, I choose a fresh round bakery roll. Add a sturdy foundation of coleslaw, and ooh-wee, check out this air-fried cod. And it's not a proper fish sandwich unless the fish is bigger than the bun. That's the good stuff. Just imagine taking a bite into this. Homemade fish sandwiches for everyone. Yee-haw! So this is where I would normally say, and of course, we must serve wine. Nectar of the gods, you know. But how about we switch things up? There's a new trend out there. I jumped on board the bandwagon for dry January, and I never turned back. Normally, I would pair this fish sandy with a nice New England hazy IPA. But who says I still can't do that? Enter Sam Adams Just the Haze or Athletic Brewing Run Wild. Both of these non-alcoholic beers I highly recommend and are an excellent complement for this dish. You can find them at your local Table and Vine. So, cheers. And one for you. You know, there are people out there who search their whole lives for the perfect sandwich. Now, I'm not saying that this is that perfect sandwich, but I'm also not saying it's not the perfect sandwich. Whether it's crispy pan-fried flounder or air-fried cod, you can't go wrong with this recipe for lunch. Dinner? Hell, I wouldn't judge you if you had this for breakfast. So there's nothing left to do but to pour your beverage, light the candles, and enjoy your seafood supper. Bon appetit.